At ngayon mga kakonek, nandito tayo sa segment na Asenso Connect. Ang talaga namang pinaka-aabangan ng ating mga listeners and televiewers. Ang Asenso Connect segment ay naglalaan ng buong suporta at pagkakataon para sa ating mga SMEs, ang mga maliliit at katamtamang negosyo na siyang puso ng ating ekonomiya. Dito ay pinapakita namin kung paano lumago, umunlad at nagtagumpay ang ating mga kabuhayan. Muli itong inyong kasindigan sa Balitaan Kaalaman, Marian Rodrigo. At sa pagkakataong nito, mga kakunek, I am so grateful dahil napaunlakan tayo ng isang kaibigan. Siya ay former flight attendant ng Emirates Airlines at siya rin ay former Mutya ng Pilipinas UAE finalist at Miss Cosmos Sports. At siya po ang Vice President of Operations na Soaring Scores Speech and Language and Training Center. Walang iba, ating bigyang pagpupugay, Miss Maris Del Rio.
Hello everyone, ladies and gents, family and friends. To all of our listeners and viewers of this amazing FM, I'm so happy to be here. Big 101.1 FM. Thank you, Miss Maria. Thanks, Derek. I'm so happy to be here with so much love.
Yes! I am so grateful to have you around in here. Now, Miss Maris, alam mo, talagang pagka nakikita kita, no, parang ang ang ligaya lang laging ng vibes. Napaka-light, di ba? Talagang pagka ikaw yung nakikita ko, talagang nawawala ang aking problema. Ikaw yung tao ng punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang puso. At syempre, di ba, nandiyan pa rin ang kagandahan. Now, Maris, my first question to you is, what is life like after the crowns and clouds of being a beauty stylist and a flight attendant in Emirates Airlines? At saka, what have you experienced para maging maayos sa pagnenegosyo? Ano yung mga experiences mo sa Emirates Airlines at sa iyong pageantry that shaped you as a woman conquering all the challenges in the world of business?
Thank you so much. I
Yes.
think I'm so delighted to have this
Yes.
interview.
Yeah.
Knowing that I've always been passionate, being a multi-passionate, okay? Multi-entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur. I'm here, there, everywhere. Ever since talaga na ang family ko nag-business. We're always looking ahead to what's in. You know, being in an Emirates airline is an opportunity because my best friend Maron even inspired me to be in the airline industry.
Okay.
Yeah, my best friend did. And also my fellow educators in Niner and said, hey, why don't you try being a flight attendant? I think bagay sa'yo. So, and it's my mom's dream, imagine. It was my mom's dream to become a flight attendant.
Yeah.
And she really even imagined that probably at some point of her life she will become one. But at least daw nangyari sa akin. So imagine
Alright.
that happened.
So it was
beautiful
you.
years.
It was you who fulfilled her dream.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my mom is always saying, anak,
Her teenage dream.
yes, I know it's always like a dream to be in the airline industry, especially Emirates Airline. I'm always
of
grateful
course.
to be
Oo.
one.
Yes.
I developed amazing friendships, especially my sisters in Christ are there, my brothers and sisters in Christ. I miss all of them actually. They actually gave me a lot of color and of course built my faith a lot. Yun ang pinaka-importante. I think I was able to be closer to God, closer to Jesus when I was able to be in the industry.
Wow. Yeah.
More than me enjoying the travels is
Alright.
also building businesses.
Alright.
Kasi
So during your stint in Emirates Airline, you mean to say you have met a lot of Christians?
yes, Christian, Catholics. Actually,
yeah.
I'm Catholic in terms of how I baptized, but I
Yeah.
also served in Victory, Dubai. I was also in going to St. Mary's Church.
Okay.
So ever since I was actually in LaSalle, I was the Social Civic and Religious Organizations BPPR. So it's like leading various churches with different beliefs is something that I have been doing. So regardless
Alright.
of faith,
Yeah,
as long as
regardless
may
of
God
religion.
tayo,
Correct.
and especially Dubai is actually a beautiful city where all religion can thrive
Alright.
without
alright.
any, let's say, problem or any, let's say, judgment. That's what I
Yeah.
love about Dubai. It's an open city. It's a beautiful country with many nations. And
So
thriving
you stayed
religion.
and lived in Dubai.
For 5 beautiful years.
Wow!
Yes.
And then you joined Mutya ng Pilipinas, Dubai.
Yes.
You represented Filipinos in Dubai. So
Yes.
can you please tell us more about this? When was this?
It was 2018. It was really funny because
yeah.
it is actually happening in every setup of opportunity. I was supposed to be the host of Mutya Pilipinas UAE. And other beauty pageants that I've been. Like, host naman talaga ako. But it would so happen that I'm about to have the, let's say, the meeting with the, let's say, organizer. He told me ng pabiro, wait lang, Maris, before ka lumapit sa akin, umikot ka nga. So, ikot naman ang lola mo. So, I really turned around and, you know, it's not by chance say, wait, anong edad mo na?
Okay.
Anong height mo? So, sabi
Alright.
ko, what about the question? Sabi ko, sir, sabi ko, bakit hindi kaya sumali sa Pilipinas?
So
Eto na naman
something
tayo!
special. He saw something special about you.
Yes. And I think it happens to all of the pageants that I've been. Yung mga hindi sinasadya. Yung dapat sa elevator lang, ako student leader lang. Kung sumali ka kaya ng pageant. Yung mga friends ko na, sumali ka kaya ng pageant. Sabi ko, may panalo ko sa trip to Maldives. Lahat naman yun.
Wow, yeah.
Thank God I've been.
Yeah.
I also got to be in top 5, so I was a finalist. I was also Miss Cosmos Sports special awardee in Mutya Pilipinas. So it was a big break. Beautiful exposure. I was able to get to know the girls.
Yeah.
And it was a fun competition kasi I think it was really, really just fun. And I learned a lot.
Yeah.
Kasi it's really, really challenging for you to juggle being in Toastmasters International because I'm also competing in public speaking.
Alright.
I'm also doing my business, expanding our businesses, and soaring scores and Niner at the same time because we're also having partner agencies. Plus, nagpa-pageant pa ako. Sabi ko, paano ko kaya gagawin to? Sabi ko, it's just God's fate.
Alright.
That
So
made it-
juggling
that really
everything.
made it happen.
Yeah, so juggling everything all at once. So, ano ba yung mga businesses that you developed and you have promoted so far?
Yes, so we have our own institute.
Okay.
Soaring Scores Speech and Language Training Center that is founded
Soaring
by my
Scores.
father.
Okay.
Soaring Scores, like
The
soaring, growing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
It's actually kind of like a tongue twister, no? But
Yeah,
it
yeah,
really
yeah.
is.
Yeah.
My family and friends are Soaring Scores. Yes. Kailangan ko talaga i-emphasize soaring, meaning like flying, soaring
Alright.
high. And then scores because we always like the top in terms of everything. So we're into personality development, corporate, business English.
Okay.
Anything that you'd like to be in the name of communication.
All right. And then I think you are also into agency, like a migration agency. Can you
Yes.
please tell something about that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, we are also in partnership with 9.0 Niner English, wherein we, of course, we are the king and the queen when it comes to giving the best training. Review, and even
Yeah.
we're a testing center for IELTS. We also have
Yeah.
MET, CELPIP, TOEFL, TOEIC,
Yeah.
everything that you can imagine pagdating sa gateway towards getting that work
Alright.
or education pathway. Kasi we always have to get that test. Either you go to Europe, US, Australia, or
Yeah.
just to upgrade your career, you always have to get these exams, rather, especially IELTS, International English Language Testing
Okay,
System.
very good. So, you have been in the business of communication, personality development, migration agency, and I think now with all this stuff, health is very important. Right? And how do you take care of yourself? By
Yes,
staying
that's very
beautiful, staying glowing, and staying active all the time.
Yes, and I think you quite know this
Yeah.
one because we're both using it. As you
Yeah.
know, my sister helped me to become better than the best version of myself because
Correct.
crazy busy.
Yeah.
So I thank my sister, hello to Celebrity R&D, my registered nutritionist dietitian sister Mary Rose Del Rio, for giving me the best optimal health through
Alright.
Usana Health Sciences.
Oh.
She's the queen of wellness. So
Oh.
she's able to help me through the program. Kasi talaga I was suffering with PCOS and allergies. Bata pa lang
Oh
ako.
my gosh,
Like,
okay.
that was like my hindrance. Sayang naging magna cum laude lang ako, di ba, Char? I mean, I could have been more kung mas healthy lang sana ako. That's
Oo.
why I always have this advocacy, and kasama siya sa curriculum namin na hindi kailangan na puro business lang. Tanungin mo rin sa sarili mo, are you actually healthy? Do you sleep
Yes,
well?
yes, oo.
Are you taking the best
Supplements,
which
yeah,
is
yeah.
Usana Cellular
Oo.
Nutrition? Exercise is very important, the right combination of food, and of course, right circle of friends. Like having
Correct.
friends like you.
Yeah.
Miss Maria, na sobrang ganda and brilliant at the same time. O, di ba, Miss Maria?
Yeah, with God's grace,
With
of
God's
course.
grace.
Yeah. So, Maurice, people often think that personality development is just about looking good and speaking fluent English. So, can you please dig deeper about personality development?
Yes, that's my favorite. Actually, it's in terms of developing your personality, I have trained myself internationally, learning from best of the best, just like Tony Robbins.
Alright, okay.
I've also attended workshops of even John Lee with Laura's trainings. I love Laura's trainings. Hi,
Yeah.
Miss Joanne and Jev, and the beautiful Laura's trainings mentors. And I
Yeah.
also have attended in national resources. I mean, there's just a lot of training platforms internationally and nationally that I have exposed myself with. So whatever I learned, I'm able to translate that
Yeah.
and customize that to the students who would love to learn the same, just like
Yeah. Yeah, you know what, Mary, seems though that you have a very solid foundation. You have a very supportive parents.
very
You-
supportive parents.
Yeah,
Hello
you
to
came,
my mom and dad,
Yeah.
Mommy Dan, Daddy Rolly.
Correct. And you came from a very good school, a prestigious school actually. So, were there any challenges that Maurice Del Rio experienced? And before you answer that, let's pause from some reminders. Yes, Miss Maurice Del Rio. Ayan naman, all the way from Manila yan, mga kakunek. So, ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo muli ng Tomas & Tina, ang classic dish na jar, DDG Beauty and Brew 7-in-1 Coffee, at Hepzibah Aromatherapy, your essential oil. Now, magbalik tayo kay Maurice. Maurice, kanina sinabi ko, ang aking hanging question was, you seem that you have a very solid foundation, a very supportive family. Nagkaroon ba ng mga challenges si Miss Maurice Del Rio? Kasi the way I look at you, parang walang bakas ng paghihirap.
Sa paghihirap, OMG. I think,
And then if so, how were you able to overcome all those?
okay, to be honest, imagine a swan. Di ba, ang swan kapag nag-glide siya sa water, nag-swim siya sa water, it's just like, ang graceful. Pero hindi mo alam yung ilalim niya. Grabe.
Okay.
It's like fighting for her schedule palagi. And even sometimes, there are really a lot of times because my schedule is so crazy busy. I can even imagine that I have to juggle many things in one day.
Okay.
Na grabe yung good luck na lang kung paano ko siya i-orchestrate, but because God is there, because sometimes I'm also doing event hosting.
Okay.
I have meetings, I have a business to tackle on, I also have to do classes with my executive coaching and other students. So imagine, it's so hard for me to organize my life, especially my schedule.
Alright.
Yes. So dun tayo struggle. Even now, imagine I came from Manila because I have to transition again to focus on our public speaking business. Because I was actually with Fresh to You, diba? I really love Fresh to You. I really love that company so much. We provide vegetable and fruits naman. Best of the best. Kumaring Ann, Mr. Dave, and family. I mean, it's amazing to really work with them, but I also need a transition. So coming from there na akala ko malilate nga ako talagang binilisan ni Dad ang pagmamaneho. At least I made it on time. I mean, thank you to my mom and dad who's always been there. Kahit napaka-hectic lagi ang schedule ko, Kulang na lang helicopter talaga eh.
Yes, yes,
Really,
yes,
time
yes,
management
yes.
is so challenging.
Yeah. So, ayun lang yung naging challenge mo so far, ano. But how are you able to patch up yung mga ganitong mga challenges with regards to time?
Well, I always seek for my partners. For example, I really have really tight time. To reschedule is the last resort. But I really don't like rescheduling because I really love to be professional all the time.
Correct.
But hindi talaga naiiwasan na just because I was caught up with another project or another meeting na sobrang importante, nag-overlap sila, which is really challenging. Yun.
Okay. So, Maris, can you please tell our listeners and televiewers about the hard truth when it comes to true confidence?
Yes. Growing up, we already have the institute done. My father is a great mentor for confidence and public speaking. So is my mom. Mami Dang is actually a great public speaker kasi prinsesas din siya ng bigkasan.
Okay.
So imagine they're like a match made in heaven. They could really create champions because all of us in public speaking, especially for my sister, even my brothers are great in public speaking and so am I. So the beauty of honing your confidence is a matter of choice.
Correct.
I was not really that confident when I was in grade school, but I also observed that if you really would like to get in life, you really have to act now, not tomorrow. Act now. That even though that you don't feel like confident, it's a matter of you accepting that you can do better for yourself and that you can achieve all of your dreams. Kasi bata pa lang ako, tinuruan kami na, anak kailangan mong magawa yung academic mong magaling or mag-compete ka. It's only in competing you'll know na may ibubuga ka pa.
Correct, diba? Stretching to the fullest of your capacity.
Tama kayo doon. Ang galing nila, Miss Mari. You really have to stretch yourself to the point of growth will really be there.
Correct.
So you'll blossom.
Sabi nga nila, diba, sa Six Sigma, if you can raise your hand as high as this, you have to raise higher and higher. Raise your bar. So, ganun ba?
Tama.
Can you advise also the parents to stretch their children?
Yes.
Hindi ba to pressure sa kanila?
Okay, that's a good question. Because I also have parents who said that ang anak ko kasi hindi pa masyadong ready mag-compete.
Correct.
And I always would like to also hear the heart of a mom or a dad kung saan ang nila gusto dili ng anak nila. Kasi ayoko naman pilitin na because we always, in soaring scores, we always believe to be better than our best. Pero kapag yung magulang hindi mo rin naman ini-meet, I don't like to compete na kasi dapat ganito yung i-follow niyo. But at the end of the day, I'll go and meet them halfway. Kasi kapag may nakita akong potential sa bata na tinuturuan ko, especially in private coaching, sabi ko, ma'am, sir, I think your child is really gifted. Your child is ready to be exposed in this kind of lecture and also module kasi we're doing a lot of personality development, let's say gratitude building, vision boarding.
Gratitude building. I love that. It is only now that I have heard it. There's a gratitude building. Napaka-importante yun para maging successful ka. Now, Maris, nasa sayo na nga ang lahat ang sinasabi nila. So, what made you decide to come over in the Philippines and stay here? You have already enjoyed both worlds. So, bakit ka na dito sa Philippines?
Oh, thank you for that wonderful question again. Well, as you can see, our business has been growing and flourishing.
Okay.
My parents are not not so young anymore. They're already senior citizens. And we have seen growth and potential in the Philippines. And mind you, Miss Marian, the cash is here.
Really?
Nag-grow ang business namin when we did it here.
Oh, wait a minute mga kakonek ha? Iba ang sinasabi ngayon ni Maris, mga kakonek. Ang sinabi niya, the cash is here in the Philippines. Pero, ang mga reklamo ng ating mga kakonek sa ibang bansa, walang pera sa Pilipinas. So, can you please expound about it? Maris.
Actually, we are already living in the world of AI and internet. Imposibleng hindi. I mean, you don't have to actually make sure that you're physically in the Philippines, but you could still earn in dollars or have clients through, just like Laura's trainings before, Offcon 2026 was just there. And by the way, Miss CJ Cajoles was able to found that Offcon 2026. You can actually be omnipresent just using your capacity, your gift and talents, and use the internet, social media, and AI. So imagine we are incorporating that in our business, and you can definitely sell yourself like any talent or brilliance that you have, package it, use AI, and use the power of social media. Ngayon nga may high level na to
Yeah.
actually sell yourself and even duplicate the things that you have. So it's just a matter of packaging and marketing yourself. Then
Yes.
clients will definitely come to you.
Yeah.
And we actually have a solid portfolio ever since, imagine 31 years yun. So I just continued the legacy of my parents
Yeah.
and grew the business and have the right partners who've been with us.
So, what
For many
beauty?
years.
What beauty do you see particularly here in the Philippines?
Well, with the chaos that's happening
Yeah.
with the government that I don't like to say,
Uh-uh.
it's all about you. You're the main driver
Yes,
of your
correct.
life. You can do anything in your capacity as long as you also have God. I always say that God is my chief everything officer. He's the CEO of my entire life, and I know that I live in abundance. And sa totoo lang, my transition now is like giving me lots of back to back projects in line, collaboration in line, trainings in line. Kaya, oh my goodness, talagang God is with me all the time. Kailangan ko na lang talaga mas i-organize ang sarili ko physically, mentally, emotionally dahil sobrang bilis ng pace. If
Yan.
Marie Kondo is in my life, sabi ko gawin kitang assistant dahil even yung mga things ko hindi ko pa naaayos sa sobrang dami na. Sabi ko, oh my God, this is the thing. I need to have more organization in my life. Literally. Organization is
Yun naman. Sa mga kakonek, di ba, nakakaaliw makinig kay Maris. At sa pagkakataong ito, mga kakonek, bigyan naman natin ng laro si Miss Maris
May laro!
Del Rio. Yan, maglalaro tayo with Miss Maris Del
Love
Rio.
it!
Magkakaroon tayo ng something like a beauty pageant question and answer
Sure.
portion. Sa pagbabalik ng ating palatuntunan. Stay tuned! Nagbabalik po muli tayo sa programang Connect ngayon. Maraming pong salamat. Ako talaga naaaliwan sa pakikinig dito kay Maris. Talagang pagka nagsalita ito, talagang ikaw na talaga yung ikaw na yung talaga magsasabi sa kanya, tama na. Kaya kailangan
aawatin mo talaga ako.
kailangan merong commercial break. Kaya otherwise talagang tuloy-tuloy ito.
Yeah.
So, Miss Maris, maglaro tayo ng para bang beauty pageant question and answer. First question, if you were to choose between beauty and intelligence, what would you choose?
I'd always choose beauty. Because,
And why?
Okay.
Beauty!
Yeah,
Why?
I'd always choose beauty. I've actually heard this many times, especially this is the signature question of Miss Gloria Diaz. And I just realized that, you know what? Intelligence can always be honed through training.
Alright.
But if you're not born beautiful, then if you like to actually be beautiful, you have to actually undergo either accepting yourself or either going under the knife. I
Yeah.
always believe in aesthetic beauty because we have our skin clinic running for 21 years.
Oh!
But that's why I say yes to
Yeah.
going under the knife or having even to the extent of plastic surgery. I've seen the benefits. It brings you confidence. But the thing is, I'll go for beauty just because if I'm born beautiful, intelligence could always be trained and honed
Wow!
at the same time. That's just easy, right? Intelligence could always
Okay. If you will be given a chance to remove one word in the dictionary, what would it be?
All right, definitely. I would go for being disorganized. I think I am still struggling in that matter because I really need a lot of help and advice
Yeah, okay.
with the people that loves me. That's why I think I always hire someone to
Okay.
organize it for me because organization is something that I have to do with my schedule, especially with my stuff because
Okay.
sometimes I have my bag and then I have more bags, and even packing I can never pack light. I always have the feeling na even in Emirates airline I have this feeling that I have to pack 30 kilos in a day because we have a discipline that what if you'll get stuck in that country and then you don't have your essentials anymore.
Okay.
So I always think to always have the virtue of Marie Kondo. She's my soul sister that I'm still developing until now.
Okay.
The queen of organization.
Wow! All right. So, many chase perfection and other chase for growth. So, which path is better for becoming an effective leader? A growth or a perfection?
it's always about growth.
Okay.
I always have this mantra that goes with this old adage.
Oo.
Practice makes progress.
Correct.
I
Yeah.
don't really believe in perfection, because perfection could make you depressed, or perfection could
Yeah.
make you anxious.
Correct.
I'm always going for growth, because there's always a room for improvement, and you also look ahead
Yeah.
all the way. You know that you can actually develop and blossom and transform like a butterfly,
Yes.
becoming the better than best version of you, without
Okay.
having to feel anxious or sorry that you have to be put together all the time.
Yun.
You can chase your dreams when you're messy, but still catch it anyway.
Yan naman mga
She's
kukunek, di ba? Nasa harapan po ninyo, hindi lang maganda, matalino pa. Di ba? Very smart, di ba? Quick to respond, di ba? Very good. Thank you so much, Maris. Now, Maris, what is success to you? How do you find success?
Success is achieving peace of mind
Peace
every
of
day.
mind every day.
That's quite a luxury for me.
Yeah, very good. So, do you have a peace of mind now?
Yes, I do. I'm grateful that
What
I
gives you
have.
peace of mind?
Peace of mind is when I have my family
Very good.
and friends and business
Oo.
that is in harmony, or at least we know that I don't have bad blood with anyone.
Yes, talaga lang pero meron ako na-receive na isang message dito. Meron na po bang boyfriend si Miss Maris?
Ay, wow, boyfriend, okay.
Are you
know what?
single? Are you single?
Yes. Okay, this is my revelation. I think I can finally share this in public. I've never had a boyfriend since birth. Yes.
Never had boyfriend since birth? Come on, you must be
Yes.
kidding me.
Yes.
Come on,
Even my
man.
sister, dadami ko na yung kapatid ko.
Oh, yeah, really?
Yes, that's
Bakit?
true. It's
Masyado kayong takot sa parents niyo? Or not?
No. My parents would like me to have a
No.
grandchild na nga eh. Sabi ko, Mami, may immaculate conception naman ang mangyayari. Tawang-tawa ko. Even, I mean, my parents are already praying for me na
Yeah,
dapat
oo.
mag-boyfriend ako. Pero no, I'm already in a generation, especially millennial generation.
But you told me a while ago that you dated well.
I dated well.
So how come that
Yes.
you have no boyfriend?
That's a very good question again. It just so happened that I dated amazing, wealthy, brilliant, successful men. Nasa
Okay.
kanila na kung tutuusin ang lahat.
Okay.
The thing is, I mean, I'm not yet ready when marriage is there. I know the commitment, the responsibility, and I'm only saying yes to responsibilities that I can really commit to. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, ang pagkakasal daw or ang marriage is not like yung kanin na kinain mo, then you could
Correct.
pwede mo lang luin kapag nainitan ko or
Yeah.
napaso ka. So I have this kind of heart and sacred vow sa akin na I will never get married unless I really change my dreams. And sabi naman ng tita ko, you have a million dreams eh.
Correct.
I have a
Yeah,
million
it
dreams.
is.
And my
Correct.
dreams comes first and my
Yeah.
goals comes first
Yeah.
beyond any man in the world. They may promise me the stars,
It's
the universe, and the
unlimited.
galaxy.
Paano yun? It's unlimited. As long as you are living, there's ambition and there's dreams always.
Exactly,
diba?
Miss
So,
Marian.
paano yun?
So it's either I stay single.
Don't you think you're so hard for yourself?
No, I am just living my life to
Oh.
the fullest. I would like to have more massage and sleep in my life. That's my boyfriend.
Really?
Sleep, massage, and chasing my dreams and goals. I think I'm kind of like married.
But do
to my
you have an
career.
ideal man?
Of course.
Do you have a dream man? Since you are dreaming.
Oh my goodness. This is the point. You know, there's a priest in Don Bosco na magbe-bless lang ako. Na nung ako na, yung magbe-bless sa akin, magkaka-boyfriend. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? What father? Second, when I was in Laura's training, one of our mentors, when we were attending a Christian church and Christian prayer, dapat ba naman sa akin yung story about an angpaw na hindi daw bibigyan ng angpaw? Hindi daw ikakasal. Sabi ko, bakit ba ako yung tinuturo yung tumitingin kayo sa akin? And the third, ayan, drop name na ako, Mentor Jojo Apollo. He's a neurolinguistic master practitioner and billion-dollar business builder. I love this man so much. And he asked me, kasi nirereto niya ako dun sa isa. Pero ang nakakatawa sa kanya, do you know how to find your one true love?
Okay.
And then I dismissed it kasi excited si Mami Mac.
Okay.
Lagi nga doon yung excited yung Mami ko, sister ko eh.
Alright. Now, yeah.
And then second po,
Alright.
she already revealed to me why. Kasi yung second time around, the Maris, ito talaga yon. nag-sit down meeting kami just for me to know the values matching between me and my dream husband to be.
Values matching. I love that. Yeah, I love that. Yeah.
And may GPT siya kung paano gawin
Oo,
yun. May technology siya. And
Yeah.
I found the 5 things that I value the most na dapat match kami nung guy na yun.
Okay. Now, Maurice, my next question is, do you want to be respected for what you have achieved? Or do you want to be loved because of who you are?
I would love to be loved for who I am.
Okay.
And who I am not as well.
Yes,
at
correct.
the
And
end of the
who
day,
you are not as
I
well.
mean, there are a
Very
lot of, I'm not perfect, far
Oo.
from perfect.
Oo.
I'm not an angel as well.
Yeah,
I
oo.
mean, no, I'm no saint. But I'm
Yes,
saying
yeah.
that who I am is who I am. I could only develop so much, but I'm a person who's still under construction.
Correct.
And huge
correct.
development.
Correct. And that needs huge development. Particularly in what aspect of your personality?
It's, I think, in terms of organization pa rin. Sabi ko, scheduling is crazy. How I manage my life is still challenging. So,
Yes.
I think I will have to hire a personal assistant. Yung ang totoo.
Akala ko you want to hire a husband or a
Ay,
boyfriend.
not a husband. Wala nang hire. Assistant na talaga na. Ay, yung schedule ko.
No.
Ay, ano nga ba yung gagamitin ko dito? Yung ano ko. Ay, kailangan natin ayusin yung room ko.
Now, sige.
Hindi ko talaga siya expertise.
Yeah, let's talk about your businesses. So you have 3 businesses. One is the Soaring Score.
Soaring Scores.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Soaring
Actually, our main
Scores.
businesses are Soaring Scores Speech and Language Training Center.
The second one is the
9.0 Niner English Batangas. Kami po ang may hawak ng buong Niner English Batangas.
Okay.
Pioneer partner po kami ni Mr. Irvin Nil Tempora. Hi Sir Philip, hi Sir Brian for 18 years.
And then the third one
And then
is?
the third one is Usana Health Sciences, in which I'm in partnership with all of my parents and sister,
Okay.
Celebrity R&D Coach MR. Yes
and then the
po.
fourth one you have migration.
Yes, the migration one po are more on
Agency.
partnership po namin.
Okay.
Yes, and
so
yes.
how do you converge all this? Talagang 'di ba parang one day nandito ka and then another days nandito ka. So how do you manage them all as VP for operations?
Partnerships are what make things
Easier.
easier.
Yeah.
And I may say really successful because
Okay.
without our partners, without our mentors, without the owners of the institute, wala talaga mangyayari. I can always count on to my brother as well. He's the owner now under the name of Mr. A.R. Del Rio. Hi brother, who's very responsible and committed with growing the business. Grabe talaga yung brother kong si A.R. Mr. A.R. because he's the kind of business owner that has may word of honor ang kapatid
Yeah.
ko. And napaka-responsible, kind and generous. What can I say more? And of course, lahat ng mga owners as well, co-owners and partners from British Council,
Yeah.
sobra talagang grabe ang support
Yes.
sa isa't isa.
Yeah. So Maurice, what do you celebrate the most?
Celebrate life.
Yeah.
God's love for me.
Correct, correct.
Grace for me. Sabi nga nila,
Yeah.
grace is something that God gives you that you don't deserve. Sabi ko nga, when I actually hear that from a mentor, kay Mentor Kat, yeah, I also heard her in Loros. I can definitely say that every day is a new day and every day is a chance for you to be grateful sa parents mo,
Yeah.
sa lahat, sa mga kapatid mo. In this opportunity, imagine,
Yes.
natuloy din ang ating
Yes.
plans. Miss Marian, and also a blessing to meet you and know you. You're such an I always tell you're such an empowered woman.
Thank
and a
you so
woman of
much.
inspiration. So sana na maging successful ka pa ang Connect ngayon.
Yeah.
Lahat ng partners natin at lahat ng taong nanonood ngayon, may all of your dreams come true.
Thank you so much, Marie. So, we are running out of time. Talagang ito nga kanina ko pa sinasabi, pagkausap mo talaga si Maris, kulang ang isang oras.
True.
Definitely marami pa naman pagkakataon, Maris. This is just a
Thank
starting
you.
point for a greater partnership coming from you. And then, so Miss Maris, what advice can you give to all the young women out there, kahit na hindi young, but to all the women out there na para mas lalo pang maging maayos ang kanilang pamumuhay at lalo pang mapaigting ang kanilang personalidad to achieve their goals in life.
Yes. I always believe that put God first in everything that you do. And also always be grateful. Love your parents. Do your best to always give back to them.
Okay.
And when you chase your dreams, do your best to be healthy. Hindi lang pwede tayo hustle ng hustle, nakakalimutan mo na ang sarili mo. Love yourself fully, that no man can actually compensate how you can actually be loved. I'm not saying na wag ka mag-boyfriend or mag-husband. Ang sinasabi ko lang, love yourself, na kahit iwanan ka ng husband mo or mag-cheat siya sa'yo, you could always bounce back to yourself and say na, parang wala namang nawala. And you can always say that I can always stand, grow, and fly like a butterfly. That I can conquer anything with or without a man with your side. I'm not against men. I love men. I love relationship. I'm a firm believer of marriage. But if you don't love yourself enough, you'll just shake eh. Pero kapag talagang you have the love of the Lord, that you have amazing friendships, connections and circles, and you're living the life. It's like having men in your life is just another beautiful bonus na hindi ko kompleto sa'yo. It will complement your life.
Yes, and Miss Maurice, can you please invite our televiewers and listeners over to check out on all your businesses?
Yes, of course. You can follow us. You can follow me in Instagram. That's at Mentor Maris Del Rio. And I would like to also say hi to Mentora. Mentora is also our amazing partner, Dennis Hilario, to Alan, all of our team members, Aldrin, Marvin, lahat sila mga team mentors ko din po sila. Fellow mentors in Mentora. We have Soaring Score Speech and Language Training Center, 9.0 Niner English, and of course, ang mga partner po natin na the Visa Center and Yuzana Health Sciences.
Wow,
and Celavive for my skincare. And lastly, thank you so much to my outfit and beautiful dresses. Sinina Manila, Queen M. Maraming salamat sa mga bonggang damit mo at pagka-style sa akin all the time. And fresh to you, to my kumaring and Mr. Dave, to all of the vegetables and fruits na laging fresh, and you can get them in Makati and Manila. Fresh fruits delivered to you, di ba? Yun po yung talagang pinapasalamatan ko lahat kayo, and I love you so much.
Alright, so last question, Miss Marisa, before we finally go. What is the most fulfilling part of your life right now?
To thrive with my family.
Yes.
I actually am in the current situation na nag-request ang parents ko, anak, busy na talaga natin. I need your physical, mental presence. Na gawin na natin and iplanuhin na natin yung mga, it's been like more than a month na they have been asking me to really go back to our home and really venture to our businesses. Sabi ko, ang dami na nating partners who are really anticipating our services and focus. So, nandito na ulit tayo.
Yun!
Sa focus natin.
Yeah, and because of that, since napaka-busy mong babae, I have some gift for you.
I have a gift!
Yeah, we have
I-date ko kasi Miss Marian. Yun yung gift ko sa kanya.
We have Hepsiba. Kailangan mo to.
Narinig ko lahat ng benefits.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And then,
Mr.
we also
Ben
have
is the owner.
and we have here the inhaler.
Taray
just in
naman
case you catch colds. Ayan, meron ka yan.
So, dahil nasa wellness tayo. Thank you so much, Hepsiba, and to Mr. Ben, the owner. And thank you to you, Miss Marian. How generous.
So, mga kakonek, mulitin yung kasandigan sa balitaan, kaalaman at karunungan, Marian Rodrigo, sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng panahon, dapat konektado ka.